Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Lightspeed Retail payments, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Lightspeed Retail payments, start by logging into your Lightspeed Retail account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, locate the payments section. Select payment providers to see the list of available options. Choose Lightspeed payments from the list. You will be prompted to connect your account. Click on the Connect button to initiate the authentication process. A new window will open, directing you to the Lightspeed Payments login page. Enter your Lightspeed Payments credentials, including your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once logged in, you will be asked to grant permissions to Lightspeed Retail. Review the permissions required and click Allow to proceed. After granting permissions, you will be redirected back to the Lightspeed Retail settings. At this point, you should see a confirmation that your Lightspeed Payments account is connected. Make sure to configure any additional settings, such as payment methods and tax rates, as needed. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, perform a test transaction. If the transaction processes successfully, your authentication is complete. Regularly check the payment settings to keep everything up to date. Now you're ready to accept payments seamlessly through Lightspeed Retail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.